Grok 2 versus ChatGPT coding. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Grok and ChatGPT, and we're going to be seeing which one of these two softwares is the better coder. Okay. Now, both of these are amazing and immaculate coding platforms. They're amazing AI chatbot assistants, and there is no question in the world that they cannot answer for you. So, what you're going to be doing to actually see their development in code is let's say I'm going to write something here like write me an HTML, CSS, Java code for a proper functioning Pac-Man loading screen where Pac-Man is animated. Okay. And we're going to write his color is blue. And let's go with background is pastel. And there are, let's go with confetti animations in the back. Okay. So this is a pretty big and hefty code to work around with. So let's see what it makes of it. Let's see how it's going to go ahead and generate something good for me. And obviously, while we have this writing over here, let's go ahead and copy it and also apply it to Chat GPT, and let's see what it provides us. Now, both of these softwares, as you can see, are going to start giving us these codes. And obviously, to test these codes out, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go over to a code tester. Okay. And we have this one compiler code testing website. So let's go right over to it. And once you go over to it, you can basically start assembling your HTML and other syntaxes with each other as you go on. So first of all, let's go ahead and test out the Grok AI code, okay? So I'm going to go ahead, add Grok's HTML. Then we have the styling and CSS. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that, bring it here, paste. And then finally, we're going to go over to the JavaScript and we're going to copy and finally paste. Now, once you have done all of that and pasted the relevant material and documents, simply click on run. And once you click on run from here, look at that. So we have a pastel background with confetti animations in the background, which is pretty cool. Obviously, the Pac-Man itself does look a bit strange. It's not the greatest, but what you can do is you can actually go ahead and improve that. You can go ahead also and ask it to make the Pac-Man better and fix it. Okay, so you're gonna write in something like that, and obviously it's going to improve the Pac-Man animation. Okay, it's gonna make the Pac-Man look considerably better. It's gonna make it, pop off better. It's gonna make it look more attractive for the audiences that are gonna be using whatever code or application you're gonna want to go with. So I'm gonna reapply all the things that it's gone ahead and changed. So let's go ahead, paste, and then finally we're going to go over to the JavaScript, copy, and then paste. And obviously you can see it says that we have made the design better. So go over to JavaScript, copy it all, and I'm going to paste it over here. And now let's click on run again. And once you click on run again, simply let it go ahead, process the whole code. Obviously, it's a pretty big code, so it does take a few seconds to process the whole code in. But once the code is processed, what it's going to do from there is it's going to be showing us how the actual code or script looks. So once the code is properly run, look at that. So now the animation isn't there, but it's still a good design. Now, obviously, we have seen what this looks like. Let's see what ChatGPT provides us. All right. So I'm going to go over to the index.html. I'm going to paste ChatGPT's code. Then we're going to come over to the style CSS, paste ChatGPT's code. And finally, we're going to go over to the JavaScript and we're going to paste ChatGPT's code once again. And let's see what ChatGPT provides us. So I'm going to go ahead and run the proper, outfit real quick. And you can see that ChatGPT, on the other hand, didn't do a great job of it. Obviously, they both had their errors, but the confetti, the loading screen, the Pac-Man, even the first code that Grok provided me was much better than this. Now, obviously, you can add your fixes by giving it different, prompts to tell it how you can make it better. But Grok got the assignment and Grok actually committed to the work. So, when it comes to coding, I would say Grok 2 is the better and bigger winner. And I obviously gave you an example while showing you that. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.